Now coming to next lecture, that is control word register of 8255, right? Now in previous lecture we have seen the architecture of general purpose IO, nothing but 8255. Now after that we have seen the pin description of 8255, right? Now based on the chip selection value and RD A1 value and A0 value, right? What are A1, A0? Address lines, right? Now based on the values of CS, that is nothing but chip selection, and address lines, that is nothing but A1, A0, a particular port is selected. That table we have seen under the architecture as well as under your pin diagram also, right? When chip selection is 0, right? Since it is an active low signal, chip selection should be 0 in order to communicate with your microprocessor. Now when A1, A0 both are 0, now which port is selected? Port A, right? Now for 001 port B is selected. Now for 010 port C is selected. Now for 011 control word register of 8255 is selected, right? Now what is control word register? Let us see in this lecture, right? Now this is an 8-bit register. Control word register is an 8-bit register, right? It contains 8 bits. Now let us see each bit under your control word register, right? Let us see each bit under your control word register, right? Now this control word register is of how many bits? 8 bits, right? Now those are represented by D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0, right? Now these are the 8 bits of control word register represented from D0 to D7, right? Now these values may be either it may be 0 or it may be 1, right? Now let us see for 0 it operates what operation. Now for the logic 1, what is the operation that is performed by this particular bit under control word register, right? Now first let us see 7th bit, nothing but D7, right? Now this may be either logic 0 or logic 1, right? D7 may be either logic 0 or logic 1, right? Now when it is logic 0, now it is under bit set or reset mode. Bit set or reset mode, right? Now when D7 is equals to 0, now that indicates 8255 is operating under BSR mode. We call this as BSR mode, right? We call this as BSR mode, right? Now what is mean by BSR mode? BSR is nothing but bit set or reset mode, in which only port C, right? You have 3 ports, port A, port B and port C. Now port C are used for, you have port C IO lines, right? Now those are used for set or reset condition, right? In which only port C are used for only set or reset condition, right? Now when D7 bit is 1, now this indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode, input or output mode, right? Now when D7 bit is 1, that indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode. When D7 bit is 0, that indicates 8255 is operating under bit set or reset mode, in which port C is used for set or reset. Port C IO lines, right? Port C IO lines are used for set or resetting the 8255, right? Set or resetting the 8255, right? Now D7, as I have said, when it is logic 1, it is operating under input or output mode, right? Now what are the operating modes of 8255? 3 modes, right? Mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. We have seen this under the architecture of 8255, right? What is mode 0? In which all ports will act as basic input or output mode. Under mode 1, port A and port B will be acting as IO mode and port C is acting as handshaking. It is the process for communicating the two components, right? Now similarly under mode 2, only port A will be acting as IO mode, port B it is not operative, and port C will be acting as handshaking. Port C IO lines will be acting as handshaking, right? Now this we have seen under the architecture of IO mode, right? When D7 bit is 1, 8255 is under operating as IO mode, and that may be either mode 0, mode 1 or mode 2, right? Now when it is 0, it is operating under bit set or reset mode, in which the port C IO lines are used for set or resetting the 8255, right? Now this is about D7 bit, right? Next we have D6 and D5, right? Next we have D6 and D5, right? Now when D6 and D5 both are 0, when D6 and D5 both are, now what are the possibilities? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, right? Now let us see for 4 possibilities. Now when D6 bit is 0 and D5 bit is 0, when D6 bit is 0 and D5 bit is 0, now this indicates 8255 is operating under mode 0, right? Now for this particular mode 0, D7 should be 1, right? Now when it is operating, when the values are D6 bit is 0 and D5 bit is 1, now it indicates it is operating under mode 1, right? Now for 1 0 as well as 1 1, right? For 1 0 as well as 1 1, it is operating under mode 2. This I can represent as 1 don't care. This don't care may be either 0 or 1, right? Now D6, D5 are your mode selection bits of 8255, right? D6 and D5 are the mode selection bits of 8255. When both are 0, it indicates 8255 is operating under mode 0. For 0 1, it is operating under mode 1. For 1, don't care. This don't care may be either 0 or 1. For these two possibilities, it indicates it is operating under mode 2, right? Now this is about D6 and D5 bit, right? Now coming to D4 we have, right? Next we have D4th bit. What is next bit? D4th bit, right? Now this may be logic 0 or logic 1, right? Now D4 indicates, now this indicates IO function, input or output function of port A, right? Input or output function of port A, right? Now D4th bit indicates input or output function of port A, right? Now when it is 0, it indicates output operation, right? Output function, it is that particular port is performing. Now when it is 1, it indicates input operation, right? Now this is about D4th bit. Now coming to D3 bit, right? Now this includes IO function of, this specifies the IO function of, D3 bit specifies the IO function of port C upper, right? Port C upper. D3 will specify the function of IO function of port 3 upper, right? Now this may be logic 0 or logic 1. For logic 0, it indicates output operation. For logic 1, it indicates input operation, right? Now that is about D3 bit. And next we have D2 bit, right? Next we have D2 bit. Now this is a mode selection bit of port B. Mode selection bit of port B. D2 bit will specify the mode selection of port B, right? Mode selection of port B. Now when it is 0, port B is operating under mode 0. Now when it is 1, port B is operating under mode 1, right? Now under mode 2, port B doesn't function. It doesn't function as either as for input or for output, right? Now this D2 is indicating the mode selection of port B. For 0, it indicates port B is operating under mode 0. For 1, it is indicating as port B is operating under mode 1, right? Now this is about D2 bit. And next we have D1 bit, right? Now next we have D1 bit. Now this indicates IO function. This specifies the IO function of port B, right? This specifies the IO function of port B, right? Now for 0, output function. This is same for everything. For 1, it is input function, right? Now that is about D1. And next we have D0, right? Next we have last bit is D0. Now this specifies the IO function, input or output function of what is left out port C lower, right? Port C lower, right? Now for 0, it indicates output operation. Now for 1, it indicates input operation, right? Now this is about the control word register of 8255, right? Now let me briefly explain again. Now we under 8255 we have control word register, which is an 8-bit register, right? which is an 8-bit register. Now I have represented here the 8 bits of control word register starting from D0 to D7, right? Now let us see one by one, right? Now when D7 will specifies the mode of a 8255, right? Now when it is 1, this may be either logic 1 or logic 0. When it is 1, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode. When it is 0, it indicates 8255 is operating under bit set or reset mode, right? Now what is mean by bit set or reset mode? In this mode, only the port C IO lines, port A, port B are not used. Port C IO lines are used for set or resetting the 8255, right? Now coming to 1, when it is logic 1, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode, right? Now under IO mode, what are the 3 operating modes of 8255? Mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. This we have seen under the architecture. Now under mode 0, all 3 ports will be acting, all 3 ports will perform basic IO operation, nothing but that's why we call it as IO mode. Under mode 1, A and B, port A and port B are used for IO operation and port C is used for handshaking, nothing but in order to communicate 2 components or 2 entities. Now under mode 2, only port A will be acting for input or output operation. Port B is not operating under mode 2 and port C is used as handshaking, right? This we have seen under the architecture of 8255, right? Now when D7 is logic 0, it indicates 8255 is operating under bit set or reset mode. For logic 1, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode. Under IO mode, either it may be mode 0, mode 1 or mode 2, right? Now coming to D6, D5 bits. Now these are the mode selection bits of 8255, right? These are the mode selection bits of 8255. When both are 0, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode of mode 0, right? For 01, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode of mode 1. For 10 as well as for 11, it indicates 8255 is operating under IO mode under mode 2, right? Now these are D6, D5, which are the mode selection bits of 8255. Now coming to D4. Now D4 bit, it will specify the IO function of port A. It will specify whether the port A is performing input function or output function. For logic 0, it indicates port A is performing output operation. For logic 1, it indicates port A is performing input operation, right? Now that is about D4, which specifies the IO function of input or output function of port A. Now coming to D3, now this will specify the input or output function of port C upper IO line, right? Port C is divided into 2 types. One is port C upper and port C lower, right? Now port C upper IO function is defined by the D3 bits. For logic 1, it indicates port C upper is operating as input operation. For logic 0, it indicates port C upper is under output operation, right? Now coming to D2, right? As we have seen under 3 different modes, port B will be operative under mode 0 and mode 1 only. It doesn't get operated under mode 2, right? Now D2 is the mode selection bit of port B, right? Now this specifies whether the port B is under mode 0 or mode 1, right? Now when it is logic 0, it indicates port B is under mode 0. When it is logic 1, it indicates port B is under mode 1, right? D2 is mode selection bit of port B. Now coming to D1, it will specify the IO function of port B, right? Now D1 will specify the IO function of port B. For logic 0, it indicates port B is under output operation. For logic 1, it indicates port B is under input operation. Now similarly, the last bit under your control word register, that is D0, which will specify the IO function of port C lower, right? D0 will specify the IO function of port C lower. When it is logic 0, it indicates port C lower is under output operation. When it is logic 1, it indicates port C lower is under input operation, right? Now this is about the control word register of 8255. In next lecture, we will see the interfacing of 8255 with your 8085 microprocessor under IO mapped IO as well as memory mapped IO, right? Now here ends the control word register. Till now we have seen the clear idea of 8255. Next lecture we will see the interfacing of 8255 with 8086 microprocessor, right? Thank you.